Ever wondered how to change someone's mind without saying a single word? It's all in your body language. Many people struggle with being persuasive, but did you know 93% of communication is nonverbal? If you're not using this to your advantage, you're missing out on a powerful tool. Understanding body language is crucial in any interaction. By the end of this video, you will learn the secrets of silent persuasion. Let's start. Number 1. The power of body posture. Ever noticed how your body spills the beans on who you are without saying a word? It's like a secret language. And guess what? Posture is your silent superpower. Seriously, the way you stand, gesture, and carry yourself speaks volumes. Imagine that confident stroll that turns heads. Your body language is the unsung hero. Standing tall, arms wide, and claiming the space you deserve. It's like your confidence amplifier, making you look like a real force. Now, here's the real scoop. When you want to sway opinions without saying a word, your posture becomes your superhero cape. Before you step into a situation where you know you'll feel nervous, insecure, or intimidated, strike a pose. Start with a slight lean. It screams interest and engagement. Lock eyes, own your space, and boom, you're conveying sincerity and trustworthiness. All in all, it's your body's way of talking, letting you communicate a ton without uttering a single word. Your body is your silent storyteller. Number 2. The Styling Chronicles. Ever thought about how swiftly first impressions are formed? Princeton University, in one of the studies, discovered that it takes just 1/10 of a second for people to size you up based on your clothes. This basically means that your outfit is like a trailer for your credibility, competence, and capabilities, giving others a sneak peek into the show they're about to witness. So let's crack the code on dressing to impress. Let's say you're gearing up for a game-changing business meeting. You want people to think, yeah, this person means business. Slip into a sharp suit, add those polished shoes, and throw in some subtle bling. Suddenly, you're radiating confidence and credibility without a single syllable. Take a cue from Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. His signature black turtleneck, jeans, and sneakers weren't just a fashion statement. They created a consistent and iconic image. It simplified his daily decisions and sent a powerful message of innovation and a focus on substance over style. Number 3. Communicating through touch. A firm handshake radiating confidence, a gentle pat offering support, or a reassuring touch on the shoulder building trust. These are also the effective yet silent messages that can change minds without a speech. It's true. Touching isn't just a physical gesture, it's a universal language that surpasses verbal barriers, creating connections that words sometimes struggle to achieve. And here's the science behind it. Touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It's like a shortcut to shared closeness and understanding, creating a unique bond. Now, let's translate this into your everyday scenarios. Picture yourself in a meeting, met with resistance to an idea. Instead of battling with words, consider a subtle touch on their arm. A move that can soften resistance, convey empathy, and work magic in breaking down skepticism. It's truly fascinating how a simple touch can weave connections, build trust, and express sincerity in a way that words sometimes can't. Number 4. Mirror connection. You know how yawns spread like wildfire? That's the power of the mirror connection. When it comes to changing minds without words, mirroring someone's behavior can be your secret weapon. Think about it. When someone crosses their arms, you might find yourself doing the same without realizing it. It's a way our brains signal empathy and build rapport without saying a thing. You can use this phenomenon intentionally to create a sense of connection or agreement with someone. Let's say you're in a negotiation and the other person leans forward. Without making it obvious, you might subtly follow suit. It can subconsciously signal that you're on the same page, making them more receptive to your ideas. It's a silent language that speaks volumes. Just remember, subtlety is key. You don't want to come off as a copycat. Number 5. Radiate positivity. Ever felt the mood lift when someone entered the room with a positive aura? That's the magic of radiating positivity, a powerful tool for changing vibes without saying a single word. Positivity, you see, is infectious. It possesses this incredible knack for uplifting those in its vicinity, creating an atmosphere where ideas flow freely and collaboration thrives. So, when you aim to alter the mindset or atmosphere around a colleague, friend, or partner, consider emanating cheerful and positive vibes. Think of it as unlocking the happiness advantage, the notion that a positive workplace mindset leads to heightened productivity. Harvard researcher Sean Achor discovered that a positive outlook results in a 31% increase in productivity, a 37% rise in sales, and a creativity rate 3 times higher. The next time you aspire to change minds without verbalizing a single word, recognize that your positivity can act as an unseen force, reshaping perspectives and cultivating a more constructive environment. Consider meeting someone new, and instead of the usual nod or handshake, you tilt your head forward slightly. It's not just a gesture, it's a game changer. Why does it work? Well, tilting your head forward signals something powerful: deference and humility. It's like saying, "Hey, I respect you and I'm genuinely happy to meet you." Add a smile and some eye contact, and you've just initiated a subtle yet meaningful connection. Basically, we're wired to like people who like us. So when we show someone that we're genuinely happy to meet them, it's like planting the seed of instant connection. And guess what? They start to like you in return. It's a simple win-win solution. So the next time you're meeting someone new, throw in a head tilt, flash that friendly smile, and watch how it sets the tone for a positive interaction. It's a small move that speaks volumes. Number 7. Influencing through what you do. Ever heard the saying, "Actions speak louder than words"? Well, when it comes to changing minds without uttering a single word, it's all about the power of influence through your actions. Think about it. Have you ever been swayed by someone's behavior more than their words? Imagine trying to convince someone to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Now, instead of bombarding them with facts, charts, and persuasive speeches, why not lead the way? Go for a jog together, whip up a nutritious meal, and let your actions become your persuasive voice. Sometimes a jog and a salad can communicate more than 1,000 words. One of the best examples of this comes from Gandhi. The man practically whispered freedom with his non-violent protests during India's independence movement. No long speeches, just powerful actions that spoke louder than words ever could. So whether you're pushing for a lifestyle change or a societal shift, actions are your secret weapon. Lead with your behavior, embody your message, and watch as minds start changing without a single syllable. Number 8. Using facial cues and pauses effectively. Mastering the art of changing minds non-verbally is like having a secret persuasion superpower. Facial cues and well-timed pauses are the unsung heroes of effective communication. When you're engaged in a conversation, your facial expressions can convey nuances that words might miss. A raised eyebrow, a knowing smile, or a thoughtful gaze. These are the unspoken notes in the melody of communication. And then there's the strategic pause. Picture this: you're making a point, and instead of a relentless verbal onslaught, you strategically pause. It's like a musical rest that amplifies the impact of your words. It creates suspense, invites reflection, and ensures that your message lands with precision. Let's not forget the power of a well-timed smile. A genuine grin can bridge gaps, disarm tension, and convey warmth without a single utterance. It's a universal language that transcends barriers. Number 9. Eye contact mastery. Ever heard the saying, "The eyes are the windows to the soul"? Well, as it turns out, there's science behind it. Your gaze can determine if someone is a potential friend or foe, operating on a primitive level. Think about hashing out a touchy subject, where instead of a verbal showdown, your eyes silently convey respect and comprehension. Studies reveal that sustained eye contact triggers oxytocin, the trust hormone. Essentially, you're constructing a trust bridge with just a glance. Now, here's the catch. The duration of your eye contact matters. According to a 2016 study that delved into this intriguing topic, people can comfortably hold eye contact for around 3 seconds before it gets a tad uncomfortable. So how do you apply this knowledge to your advantage? In a business setting, aim to keep your eyes above the level of the person's nose, showcasing confidence and professionalism. But if you're in the realm of seduction, the game changes. Steal those glances below the nose level for a subtle yet captivating connection. So, the next time you engage in a conversation, remember that your eyes can speak volumes, subtly influencing the dynamics of the interaction. Number 10. Expressing nonverbal joy. Changing minds without saying a word is an art, and expressing nonverbal joy is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Imagine entering a room with a genuine smile and lively energy. It's contagious. Nonverbal cues like maintaining eye contact, open body language, and a warm demeanor can subtly influence attitudes. One compelling example is the Duchenne smile, named after researcher Duchenne de Boulogne. This genuine smile involves not just the mouth, but also the eyes, creating those delightful crow's feet wrinkles. Studies show that people instinctively respond more positively to a Duchenne smile, deepening connections effortlessly. Our brains are wired to pick up on emotions through nonverbal signals. When you radiate joy, others can't help but mirror that positivity. It's a silent language that bridges gaps and fosters understanding. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.